everybody, Joyce here with the Traveling Gamblers, and I am here with Jon. Hello, Jon.
Hello, Joyce.
And Jon and I are on the Celebrity Summit, and we are having dinner at the buffet, and we wanted to give you a full tour. It is gorgeous in here. When you first walk in to the right, this is the bakery. Right now it's empty. In the morning, this is filled with fresh breads and croissants, and then they move them to the back for lunch and dinner, and I'll show them to you back there when we get there. They have this screen, and it shows you, it's color coded, and it shows you where all the different types of foods and beverages are. It's very cool. Tells you the hours. Very cool. All right, let's go. Absolutely beautiful. It's empty. It's about 7:30. So the ship has a 2,200 capacity, and there's about 800 guests on this cruise. It's a 5-night cruise, and it's the cruise just after Thanksgiving. Today's December 1st. We have one more night. This is the daily feature, so they have everything in sections. This is the daily feature section. Hello.
Good evening, how are you?
What's your name?
My name is Rosemary.
And where are you from, Rosemary?
I'm from Zimbabwe, ma'am.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You're doing a wonderful job. The buffet is beautiful.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. And the food is just absolutely beautiful. And over here we have fish croquettes and little mini meatballs and tomato bruschetta and egg frittata. Really something. And then the next section is the carvery. And today they had roasted turkey.
Oh, that's roast beef.
And tonight they have roast beef. But this afternoon it was a roasted turkey, and Jon and I had it for lunch, and it was delicious. And over here, this is pork schnitzel, mashed potatoes and gravy, sauerkraut, and spitzel.
How are you? Hello, how are you?
Good, what's your name?
Sridat from Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. What's your name?
Regina from the Philippines.
Okay, and Regina is the carver.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a drink station, and they have several of these throughout the buffet.
Hello, hi, how are you?
Good, what's your name?
My name is Albert.
And where are you from?
I'm from Zimbabwe, all the way from Africa.
And what do you do at the buffet?
I'm working on the Ocean Cafe. I'm taking care of the coffee, everything,
So you maintain this drink station.
always, every day.
Okay.
I'm the coffee man.
Well, you're doing an excellent job.
Thank you very much, I appreciate it, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
So there's juices here. This is all complimentary. And there's water and ice. And there's skim milk, cream, and whole milk for your coffee or tea. On the other side of the carvery is a mushroom ragu, braised red cabbage, steamed vegetables. Tonight they're carrots. And there's a white sauce to go with steamed mahi-mahi. Everything that Jon and I have had at the buffet has been absolutely delicious. There's lots and lots of seating, and the seating is on the outside edge, the outside wall, and all of the food is in the center. The decor in here is so pretty. The summit has been completely redone, and It is very reminiscent of the Edge Class series in the colors and the decor. It's just so pretty. Look at the chairs. They're blues and grays and tans and browns, and it's just absolutely beautiful in here. Truly beautiful. And here's another drink station. Same thing. Juice, lemonade, fruit punch, iced tea, coffee, water, tea. The next food station that we're coming up on is the pasta station. This is different every day in that they have 3 different pastas and 3 different sauces every day. And then these are all of the things that they can put in your dish if you'd like. And they can make a custom stir-fried pasta dish for you. And behind that is the salad station. And this is all the things for a salad. These are your lettuce choices and a Caesar station. So they have 3 different kinds of lettuce, but it's also a Caesar salad station. And then on this side, this changes every night also. They have different types of salads. So there's fresh fruit. Tonight they have a cucumber salad, a 4-bean salad, and a tomato and bell pepper salad. It's like a tomato and onion salad. I can't say it enough. Jon and I have been on a lot of cruises. This is a beautiful buffet. And they have seating outdoors. You can go outside. If you've watched our full ship tour of the summit, you would have seen us walk through the buffet, but we didn't do an in-depth individual video like we are now. So we have baked potatoes and 3 different kinds of grilled vegetables. And this is the grilled favorites station. And they have chicken, pork chops, tilapia, all fresh for them to cook for you per request, how you would like it cooked. And every day they have different sauces here for you to choose from as well, and toppings. And on this side they have roasted chicken, steamed fish with tomato sauce, roasted potatoes, and there's a baked pasta. The dish is coming. And over here they have Asian. There's a Chinese stir fry. Look at that. A Thai beef curry. Nasi goreng. Looks like fried rice. And stir-fried vegetables. And just opposite the grilled favorites, it's listed as fruits, but it's also where the breads are and the cheeses. So here's fresh fruit. They have pineapple, honeydew, cantaloupe, and watermelon. And these are the breads that I was telling you about before. So they have 6 different kinds of breads that are all fresh baked. No, 7. They have whole wheat rolls, brown rolls, olive panini, mini baguettes, more brown rolls, twist rolls. Do you know what this is back here?
Yeah, that one panini.
This one is a panini? Delicious. And this is cheese and hummus. They have assorted cheeses and cold cuts and hummus and pita. continue on over here to the build your own station. And this build your own changes daily. Sometimes it's a build your own salad, sometimes it's stir fry, sometimes it's paninis. Tonight it is stir fry. They have all these stir fry vegetables. They have rice noodles and white rice. And they have beef, chicken, and pork. And they have more things that you can add in. See over here, they will cook it for you fresh, however you would like it. And opposite the build your own is Italian inspired. And this is the pizza station. But in addition to pizza, they also do Stromboli. And that's different every day. Last night, Jon and I had a vegetable Stromboli, and it was delicious. Today they have a mushroom pizza, cheese pizza, and pepperoni pizza. Pizza's very good. They offered gluten-free pizza that is available upon request. And I believe if I wanted to, they would make me my own special pizza. So this is the pizza station where they're making the pizzas, and this is the lovely Z and Z, and they are third chef? Fourth cooks. The yellow scarf around their neck says what number they are. So they're working their way up, and they are in charge of making the pizzas right now. And so Z, if I wanted to have a special pizza made, I could do that?
Yes, you can. Definitely, you can get from anywhere around the buffets, like any vegetables, or if you have any special like allergies or anything like that, we can make it for you.
So if I have a dietary need
Yes.
and I am allergic to
Yes.
dairy, you could do the goat
You
cheese
can
for
do
me.
the goat cheese, definitely.
Okay,
Yes.
perfect. Okay.
Right.
I might keep that in mind and come back and order a pizza when I'm done.
Sure. Right.
You're doing a terrific job.
Thank you very
Everybody
much.
else thinks so. The pizza's almost gone.
Yeah, it's gone. Like everybody's enjoying it.
So are there standards that you make every day, like pepperoni and cheese, and then specials that you do different?
Yeah, so normally we do have what's there every day is pepperoni and cheese. What we change is the other one. Sometimes you might find mushrooms. The other one you might find maybe like just peppers with like olives or something. It always changes.
Okay.
Or the margarita, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
we do the Hawaiian.
And the Stromboli changes also?
Yes. We have a vegetable one, or we have one with ham, or we have one with pepperoni.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Well, we had the vegetable one yesterday,
Yes,
and
that
it was
was good?
delicious. Yes.
All
Yes.
right.
Thank you for your
Thank you,
time, and
Joy.
you're doing a terrific job.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. So there's more seating over here. And yet another drink station. So the buffet is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and late night snacks. The late night snack, I believe it starts at 10:30 and is open until 1 a.m. They have a couple of the stations open with like light finger type foods, some sandwiches and things like that, and then the pizza is also open. And over here is where you can get a beverage from the bar service if you want one, or if you have a beverage package, that's where they would get that. And they serve you at the table. This is the Indians' favorite station, and this is something that they have every day. This is a fish marsala, and they have rice, chicken curry, roti, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. And all of the food stations are decorated with the theme, and they're beautiful. Like they have all these containers of spices around and toppings. They have jeera rice, dal, and mixed sabji vegetables. They have all these sauces that you can use, and they have several of these throughout the buffet. They have several of these stations with the sauces. And we're coming around to the front, almost done a full circle. And this is the Latin favorites, and they have this every day. This is my favorite station. And they have chicken fajitas and beef fajitas, nacho chips, flour tortillas, cheese sauce, chili con carne, and refried beans. And over here, they have all of the toppings. They have chopped onions, fresh chopped jalapeno, diced tomatoes, delicious fresh guacamole, and sour cream. And last but not least, for the stations around the buffet is the dessert station. And they usually have the desserts in a theme. Tonight is cake night for sure. And tonight they have orange cake and mint cake, black forest and coconut cake, and blueberry and chocolate cake. And look at these cakes. They are gorgeous. And I can tell you firsthand, every cake I've had is absolutely delicious. And over here, they have banana bread custard, rum balls, a Jamaican carrot cake, coconut custard pie, my favorite pie in the whole world. Oh my goodness, I know what I'm having tonight. And lemon blueberry pudding. Oh, and Jamaican rum cake. So that does it for the food stations in the center of the buffet. And I'm going to take you to one last spot. This is the hand washing station. That's not the last spot I'm taking you to. The last spot I'm taking you to is the best spot in the whole buffet, and that is Scoop's Ice Cream. Would you like to say hello on our YouTube channel?
Hi.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Anastasia.
And where are you from?
I'm from Belarus.
Belarus.
Yes.
Wow. You've got the best job on the ship,
Yeah.
serving ice cream. So tell me a little bit about the ice cream. Do the flavors change every day?
Yes, we change every day.
Do all of them change or just some of them?
We always have vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry.
So always have vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry, and the other flavors change. So if you see something you like, you should get it because it might not be there tomorrow. So there's frozen yogurt, sorbet, and ice cream. And toppings. But I know you have other toppings, don't you? Sometimes I saw like M&Ms or something. So the toppings change as well? So there's syrups. It's caramel syrup, strawberry sauce, and chocolate syrup. And look, they have the little wooden spoons.
We have cookies.
And these are chocolate sprinkles and rainbow sprinkles. And they also have cookies. They have macadamia cookies today. And these cookies change every day. And chocolate chip cookies. They look delicious. Their cookies are very delicious.
It's very delicious.
freshly baked every day. And over here, we have the gluten-free dessert station. And this is different every day also. The gluten-free section are the chocolate cake and the jello. And then next to that, they also have not gluten-free bread pudding with a vanilla custard sauce. And this is all at Scoops in the buffet as you're walking out on the starboard side of the ship. So that does it for us for the full tour of the Celebrity Summit beautiful Ocean View Cafe. We hope that you've enjoyed this video as much as we've enjoyed showing it to you. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. It really helps us out and it lets us know what you like. And if you haven't done so already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. You just hit subscribe below this video and turn on the notification bell, and that will let you know of any new videos that we post. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support. And as always, we hope you have a wonderful day.